The Palma 2 stands out with its sleek design and impressive features that cater to a modern user's needs. Equipped with a 6.13-inch HD Carta 1200 glass screen, this device ensures clear and sharp visuals with a resolution of 824 by 1648 and 300 ppi for an exceptional reading experience. The flat cover lens adds a premium touch, protecting the screen without compromising clarity. With every glance through the lens, Envision reshapes what binoculars can do, bridging nature and cosmos, daylight and starlight. Designed by Unistellar, the minds behind the revolutionary smart telescopes, Envision is your field guide by day and astronomer by night. These 10 by 50 millimeter smart binoculars combine a Poro-style build with advanced augmented reality to display real-time information overlaid on the natural world. No internet required. The Aqara Motion Sensor P1 delivers a high-performance experience with exceptional functionality and future-proof design. One of its standout features is the impressive 5-year battery life, ensuring long-term reliability even in extreme conditions like low temperatures or rapid detection timeouts. Offering customizable sensitivity, this sensor can adjust its detection range to 3 levels: high, medium, and low, helping minimize false alerts and providing flexibility for a variety of installations. Stay cool and comfortable with the Ryobi USB Lithium Misting Fan, a powerful and portable cooling solution. This fan employs advanced atomization disk technology, delivering a fine mist that cools by up to 10 degrees while keeping you dry. Its compact design is paired with impressive performance, offering up to 90 minutes of misting on a full 2 ounces water tank and up to 7 hours of fan operation with 110 CFM airflow. The Armrest Couch Cup Holder by Couch Coaster offers an innovative solution for those seeking convenience and organization while relaxing at home. Crafted with precision, this patented design incorporates a weighted silicone base that securely sits on your sofa, armchair, or recliner armrest, preventing accidental spills. Its anti-slip feature ensures stability, keeping your drink firmly in place even during the most relaxed moments. The FLIR MR277 is a powerful all-in-one building inspection tool designed to enhance your workflow with its high-resolution thermal imaging, moisture detection, and advanced measurement capabilities. This system is perfect for efficiently locating and documenting issues like moisture, air leaks, and building envelope problems, making it essential for any professional involved in building inspections or maintenance. The MR277 combines multiple measuring modes, allowing you to scan large areas with its 160 by 120 thermal sensor. Elevate your workstation with the Enton Power Desk Clamp Power Strip, a practical solution for powering multiple devices in tight spaces. This 12-in-1 power strip clamps securely to your desk, providing a clutter-free, organized workspace. The coiled cord offers flexibility, eliminating tangles and ensuring a clean setup while delivering power to devices with ease. Featuring 3-sided outlets, this power strip accommodates a range of devices simultaneously, perfect for high-demand setups or multitasking. A unique solution for pet oral care, the Orizi stress-free microcurrent toothbrush provides an innovative way to ensure your pet's teeth stay clean without the typical hassle of traditional brushing. By using gentle microcurrent technology, this toothbrush removes plaque up to 6 times more effectively than a standard brush, offering superior cleaning with minimal effort. Unlike conventional tools, it operates without vibration, noise, or irritation, making it ideal for pets who are sensitive or anxious during oral care routines. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Ioneo Retro Mini PC AMO1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the amzn.to is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Ioneo remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the amzn.to stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs. Colo GCS revolutionizes your sound experience with the world's first 7.1.2 channel speakers, designed specifically for PCs. This cutting-edge system integrates 11 distinct speakers into a sleek all-in-one design, offering a rich and immersive audio experience that brings games and movies to life. With true overhead channels, it delivers unparalleled 3D sound that surrounds you from every direction, making you feel as if you're in the center of the action. Compact yet powerful, this 3-in-1 tool is engineered for precision and efficiency on any job site or home project. Whether you're aligning shelves, installing trim, or framing walls, it combines essential tools into one rugged design that fits in your pocket. The Cube integrates a digital angle finder, level, and laser distance meter, simplifying complex measurements with absolute accuracy. With a precision rating of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this device delivers exact readings for every measurement. The Vesta Candle warmer lamp is designed to infuse your living space with the perfect balance of fragrance and elegance. With its sleek, modern appearance, it provides an effortless way to enjoy your favorite scents without the need for an open flame. This candle warmer utilizes gentle heat to melt the wax evenly, releasing a rich, aromatic atmosphere that enhances any room. In a world where responsible firearm ownership matters more than ever, the BioFire Smart Gun offers unmatched security without sacrificing speed or performance. Engineered for protection with built-in peace of mind, this 9mm smart handgun stays locked the moment it's out of your grip, rendering it completely inoperable until a trusted, authorized user takes hold again. The intelligent design ensures that no unauthorized person, be it a child, thief, or intruder, can ever fire it. In tight interiors, through car windows, or around bustling sets, flexibility defines cinematic excellence. DJI's Ronin 4D Flex elevates the craft by merging intelligent stabilization with spatial freedom, empowering creators to reach shots that were once impossible. At the core of Ronin, 4D Flex is its brilliantly re-engineered gimbal camera system, now separated from the main body by a nearly 6.6-foot extension cable. This design cuts weight on the operator's end and frees up movement, allowing gimbal operation in spaces previously off-limits. The DockOrb is a powerful 12-in-1 docking station that completely transforms your workspace. With dual 4K HDMI at 60 Hz, it effortlessly supports 2 high-resolution monitors, offering unmatched visual clarity. It features a versatile array of ports, including 2 USB 3.1 ports and 3 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring quick and seamless data transfer. Power meets precision with the next evolution in workspace cleanliness. The Halo Modular Air Duster delivers professional-grade airflow at 90,000 RPM, easily dislodging dust from electronics, tools, and hard-to-reach corners without relying on disposable cans. Built for continuous performance, its unlimited runtime modular station ensures you're never caught mid-task without power. Just dock, swap, and keep going. Tiny Repel Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller is a compact yet powerful device designed to provide a practical solution for keeping mosquitoes at bay during outdoor activities. With its efficient 329-degree Fahrenheit heating technology, this mini repeller creates a 30-foot protection zone, ensuring you stay comfortable in your outdoor space. Its rechargeable feature makes it ideal for long trips, offering convenience and reliability without the need for constant battery replacements. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots, all while offering wireless charging and real-time viewing capabilities. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up for a more elaborate shoot, UView ensures your content is always top-notch. The Chincata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Precision meets performance in this advanced thermoforming system designed to elevate industrial fabrication. Built with a robust auto-lifting bed, it delivers reliable vertical motion for consistent pressure distribution and flawless material shaping. At the core lies an industrial pump engineered for high-output vacuum performance, ensuring precise form every cycle. Integrated pre-stretch technology enhances material coverage, reducing waste while boosting mold accuracy. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. The Rencolor 3D printer offers versatility and precision for a wide range of creative and professional applications. Equipped with 6-color capabilities, it allows users to blend, segment, or create gradient color effects, making it ideal for detailed and visually dynamic prints. The 295 by 295 by 360 mm printing size provides ample room for larger projects, while the printer's ability to achieve fine details at a 0.1 mm accuracy ensures high-quality results with every print. Elevate your outdoor comfort with the Sitbacks Bleacher Seat, designed to make every event more enjoyable. Whether you're cheering from the bleachers or relaxing at a concert, this seat offers premium cushioning and back support to alleviate pressure during long periods of sitting. The high-density foam padding ensures lasting comfort, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on the action. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, the Sitbacks is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Precision meets portability with the Modu Razor Titanium Collapsible Razor, crafted for those who demand excellence in every detail. Engineered from premium-grade titanium, this classic double-edged safety razor offers a seamless blend of durability and lightweight design. Weighing just a few ounces, it stands up to rugged travel yet feels virtually weightless in your grooming kit. The collapsible structure ensures compact storage, perfect for stowing in a dop kit or backpack without sacrificing blade stability. Weekend meals turn legendary when your outdoor setup includes this precision-engineered wood pellet grill. Designed to elevate your barbecue game, it delivers rich, wood-fired flavor and unmatched consistency across its expansive 885 square inches of cooking space. Whether you're hosting a backyard feast or slow-smoking ribs for hours, this pellet smoker handles it all with ease. The integrated Wi-Fi technology syncs with your smartphone, giving you total command over temperature timers and even smoke levels without ever leaving your chair. When precision is non-negotiable, the Ultimate Ears RR Plus Pro steps in with uncompromising clarity. Whether you're dialing in a vocal chain, mastering in a mobile studio, or producing on the go, this in-ear monitor is built to translate every sonic detail with exacting clarity. Exceptional passive isolation blocks up to negative 26 decibels of ambient noise, locking you into your mix whether you're in the booth or backstage. Lose yourself in a private cinema with the Goovies G3X, crafted for those who demand clarity, comfort, and complete immersion. This isn't just a headset, it's a personal 4K old theater featuring dual 2K micro OLED displays that deliver stunning visuals with 1920 by 1080 resolution per eye. At 42 pixels per degree, the crystal clear aspheric lenses ensure razor-sharp detail. Slide it into your jacket pocket and you'll forget it's even there, until it's time to read. Weighing only 5.5 ounces, the Hax Mini e-reader delivers serious performance in a minimalist design. Its compact 5.83-inch touchscreen brings crisp clarity to your fingertips, letting you immerse yourself in books, documents, and images with no distractions. This e-reader supports a wide range of file types: PDF, EPUB, TXT, and even JPEG, so whether you're reviewing a report or catching up on a novel, it's all in one place. With a design inspired by a submarine, this humidifier brings a unique blend of style and functionality to any room. Its sleek, compact body stands out with a vivid color scheme that adds a touch of elegance, while the carefully crafted details enhance its visual appeal. The humidifier is not just a piece of decor, but a practical addition to your home. The Final Press Original Coffee and Tea Maker combines convenience and versatility in a compact, portable design, making it an essential tool for coffee and tea enthusiasts. Featuring patented 3-in-1 technology, this stainless steel micro French press is ideal for brewing hot, iced, and cold beverages with ease. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or traveling, it offers an exceptional brewing experience that adapts to any setting. The MagMirror 3-in-1 content creation tool is designed for creators on the go, combining convenience and power into a sleek package. With its real-time viewing capabilities, this tool allows for effortless shooting and monitoring of your content. The built-in selfie monitor screen provides instant feedback, eliminating the need for external monitors and extra gear. The tool's LED lighting ensures optimal illumination, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor shoots day or night.